Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use your car stereo as a home stereo. So guys, if you have a car stereo at home and you want to use as a home stereo without a car, so you can use it. So guys, for this you want a 12 volt power supply. So here I have a 12 volt power supply. So it's a 12 volt DC and 1.25 amp. And what else you want? At the back, if you will see of your stereo, you will find 16 wires with a 16 pin connector, and you should know the coding of this wiring. So I have the coding for you guys. You can note down this coding. It will be very easier for you then. So guys, that black wire is for negative ground, red is for power 1 12 volt, blue and white is remote output only, blue only is for power antenna, and gray plus white, these two wires are for speaker 1, white and black and white are for speaker 2, and yellow is for power 2 12 volt, orange plus white is for dimmer, orange is for illumination, blue and yellow for steering wheel remote, and purple for speaker 3, purple and black for speaker 3 as well, and green and black and green is for speaker 4. So guys, it's very easy. So what you have to do, simple, you have to take power 1 red and power 2 yellow, connect together. Now guys, what you have to do, you have to connect this to your power supply. So if you want to cut the wire, you can connect it to your power supply. I won't cut for today's video, I will just connect as it is. So here's the black wire. So for negative, as a negative wiring, and now that power is connected. Now I want just a speakers wire, that's it. So I have already told you that we have, out of 16 wires, we have 8 wires belongs to speakers. So for 4 speakers, so we will choose that white and black and white wire for the speaker right now. So we will take 2 wires, that white and black and white. So now I will connect these wiring to my speaker. So here I have speaker wire. Other side of the wire, speaker, other side of the speaker. So guys, now I have connected to power supply, 12 volt, positive connected, ground connected, and speakers are connected. So guys, if you want to connect for other speakers for left and right, front or back, so you guys look at your sheet, and you can connect for other speakers as well. But for today's video, I will just connect one in speaker and connect it to 12 volt to demonstrate this video. So now what I will do, I will connect my 12 volt power supply. See guys, it's worked. Now we will test it. Now I will insert a CD to see if it is working. See guys, it's working. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.